So, I'm refinishing a piece of furniture and the drawer slides are broken. I have 9 drawers, of which 3 are completely broken and unusable. They're super easy to make, so stick around, we'll do it together. To make your own, you just need some 3/4 inch hardwood. These things weren't designed by dummies. They're super easy to manufacture. They make thousands of them in the factory where they build the furniture. Since we already have the thickness taken care of, 3/4 of an inch, standard lumber size, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we cut it to the right width. And the way that we're going to do that is just by butting this up against the blade and lightly touching the fence against that. So now that we run the board through, it'll be the right thickness. Now with the width cut, we want to cut one of these grooves. So the way we're going to do that is the same thing, but we're going to adjust the depth of cut as well. So that's about the depth of cut I want. But now, we're at the right width. So the same thing, I'm going to butt this. It's a little tricky with mine. Now, we just want to cut these off. And it was that easy. Now I have a whole stick, if that's what you call it, of drawer slides, ready to be cut to the size that I need for my next project. Thanks for sticking around.